Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your name on Frollo. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Frollo application and make sure to sign in by entering your passcode. Once you're signed into the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will then open up Profile, where you will need to press on the name option. Enter your first name you would like to replace with and then tap on the little arrow. Now enter your last name as well and do the same. And there you have successfully set up a new name for Frollo. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.